Hello, good to see you again. Sorry, unfortunately I closed my recording, so that's why I will continue for this era, so like that. So before we insert the data, we need to check the data. What is the data inside the database? So at that time, you need to find db.collection name.find. So this is the looking at the data inside the database. So if you want to insert the data into the MongoDB, you need to insert this query db.product.insert. And there are two kinds of insert method, insert many and insert one. At this time I will use this insert method, and so like this. So I will forget. So here we can define any kinds of JSON structure in there. So number one is product name. Product name is an en1 limo, so like this. And product description. Product description is this is limo FRUND fruit. Another is product bride. So this is maybe 200 or like this. And the last one is product store. So I need to define product store. Product store is 100, and then I will insert it right now. So data at this time data is insert or like that. So we can query this is inserted or not. So this one db.product.find. This is looking at the data inside the database. So this is a kind of query. When do you want to insert inside the MongoDB database? But my idea is I want to implement with both Postgres database, and I will create a Postman, and I will create a what API. It will insert data via the API, and then the data inserted into the Postgres database. So let us start. So that's why firstly I need to add for the required dependency, So at this time I need to put the dependency in our project. So at this time I need to use Ctrl+Shift+B, and then for that MongoDB MongoDB.driver. So this is the required dependency to connect to MongoDB database. So at this time I will show the last version of that package. Okay, at this time this is the dependency where we can check the dependency inside in here. So we can also add that for the Swagger UI. So at the time we need to add the dependency. So this we need to add ESP.NET this dependency. It is also 7.2.0. Okay. So we already add dependency for the requirement, and then we will create a controller. So controller folder, and then we will also create model folder. model folder, and then we'll also create config folder. So firstly, we need to add for the configuration where we need to connect our database. So at this time, I will create the JSON key name. The name is, I will define the name POSDATABASE database. I will define so like this. So in that, I will create. So I need to define that connection string. Connection string is like I'm going to Mongo. Oh, sorry, that's not one. MongoDB, this is the port number. Another is we need to define the database name. Database name is POS, not the DB, just POS. I forgot it is the name is POS. So in that, I will connect the collection name. Collection name is the product. Product does not include the name. Product does not include the S. So this is the connection string I already defined. And then I will also create the config-led. It is DB setting. DB setting class. Also it is a DB setting, yes. And so in there I will create three kinds of property. This is the file name is PROP string, public string, connection string. This is the names of from this defined value connection. Another name is database name. So it requires fee. Another is database name. Another is collection name. These are require fee. Okay, alright. And then I will need to add the model according to the database structure. So at the time I will create a model class. It is product model. In the product model, I will create the property. It is the string id. So it is that JSON base. So at this time, I need to define the attribute. The attribute name is bson id. It will be the bson id. Bson id comes from for the MongoDB bson.serialization attribute. And then another it kind sort. It is kind sort that object ID I want to define. So at this time I need to define for the bson representation, bson type is the JSON. No, this is not one. Bson type.json. We don't need to call out like that. At this time I will use for the reference the JSON. Okay, we just need this data. And then I will also define the property name. This is the file name, product name. The one product name, the one is description. So product description. The one is bright. Product unit bright. The last one is product PROP integer product stock. Okay, so it also require fish because when we create the object, these are need to create that require fish or like this. So this is our model, and I will also implement with the Robustity button. So that's why I create a folder. The folder name is Robustity. Robustity in there, and we create a service interface. So that's why I brought that service. In that, I will create the abstraction for the CI/CD project, and I will also use for the async await to get that asynchronous programming. So at this time, I will create this list the product model create or like that. Oh, this. So this is amazing by the AI. So I need to select or like that. At this time, we need to reference for the model. So this is I don't need to use enumeration. I want to use for the list. So this is cap protest ASYNC is another is cap protest ASYNC is cap protest by int this is cap protest by int. This is create, and this is create is also is ASYNC is in. Update is when we update the data, we also use for the string protect int and protect model. Another is also kinds of string. Okay, we also use for the async surface every kind of method. So here is the abstraction for the CI/CD browser. Okay, sorry. Okay, here is the abstraction to create CI/CD browser. So after that, I need to create implementation class. So that's why product service, and the product service implement for the product service abstraction. So at this time, the implementation required to implement for the interfaces or like that. So in that, I need constructor. So in the constructor, I need to inject for that database connection. So that's why I use I option button. In that, I need to confirm for the DB setting that already defined for the DB setting. It is the DB setting. DB setting I need to reference for this in this class. So in that, I need to inject for the injection. So that's why control dot. After that, I need to create and assign DB fields or like that. So this is the private read only. So that's why I need to add for that. And that's code. Okay. So in that, I need to define it. I need to define. Oh, sorry, my bad. DB connection is that's coded. I need to create. What is that? I need to create. Oh, I got it. I need to create. It is DB setting. DB setting. It kinds of DB setting. Okay. I also need to create for the collection. So at this time, private read only. Okay, this is my required for the collection name to get the data. So at this time, firstly, I need to get that. I need to get the client. So that's why I need to get this there. So at this time, I need to create for the driver, and then according to that client, I need to also get the databases. So that's why this is my databases, and then I need to also get production collections or like that. So I don't need this declarations or like this. So it is okay. Yes, that's good. I just need injection for the TV setting, and then I need to get client name, and then I need to define for the database, and this is the collection name. So firstly, when I create the data, we can easily add for the insert method. So that's why so await product collection dot add insert. This is my product, our product. And then when we delete, we can easily delete find the await delete collections or like that. Sorry, await, this is the delete method. So in the delete method, this is what is that? Delete one is sync. Product set that. Delete product. What is that? Product end. Oh man, what is it? What wrong with me? Visual representation. Oh, sorry. Visual representation. Oh, sorry. I need to define this is also string type. It is also string type. So after that, I need to go in there so the data is not gone. Okay, so after that, this is the create method, this is the delete method, and this is the get by ID. So for the get by ID, we need to return we need to return for getting the, this is also string. Oh sorry, I need to also define in there, it is string. Oh, that's got it. String. Okay, we need to get all of the data. At this time, I need to return all of the lists. This is get all data. So at this time, return away collection. So like this. Oh sorry, I need to add away some method. So the last one is it is update by ID. So for the update by ID, firstly we need to filter. It is a replace method. So at this time, I need to add. So this is the we need to implement or like that. So okay. Oh sorry. Okay, I will put. So that's why I need to remove. This is the replace. So yes, it is also is an away method. Yo, that's good. Also, there's no need to return. We also need to put away methods or like that. So that's good. You know, I can have a lot of from the AI. This is compiler I already have, so that's why when I type a keyword, the compiler has me behind me. Okay. Oh sorry. What is that? The string ID. Oh sorry. It need to be the string data type. Yes, there's no error right now. So I will remove these kinds of packages because it does not require anymore. Okay, this is the TV setting. This is the connection string. So I will format the document. Alright. So finally I need to add the const controller. So it is kinds of product controller. Product API controller. Oh, sorry. I need to add for the web API. So for the web API, it is product API. Okay, that's good, man. Okay, in there I need to inject for the service. So that's why I product service. I product service, and then I will type control dot. I need to inject the injection assign. Alright, so in there I will define or like this. Okay, yeah, so we can use this kinds of structure like this. Yes, it is consider injection. For the consider injection, I also need to declare in there beta dot service dot endpoint explorer, beta dot service dot swagger, and then beta dot add controller, beta dot service dot add controller we need to add, and then beta dot service dot add transient. No, what is we need to add for the service or transients or like that. Okay, we need to add scope or like that in there. I product service comma products or like this. Also product repository. I'm product repository. This is so I will copy for the reference. Okay. Oh, sorry. Product. Okay, that's good, man. So I also need to add the DB connection string in there. So that's why beta dot service dot configure in there. I need to add DB connections or like this. So this is I need to reference in there. So DB setting, yes. Yeah, the DB setting. What wrong with me? Okay. So this connection string came from in here. Product database. So product database. So this is our POS database. So in there, POS database. Yes. So I will also add for the source records to the for the API documentation. At this time, I will use for the add.circa joins or like that. So we don't need to use these kinds of minimal API. So I will delete all kinds of these because this is the default, and I also remove all like this. Yes. So I am ready. So it is a skeleton. Firstly, we need to add for the configuration, and then we need to put the connection string, and then this is the open API, and this is the circa configurations all like that. Okay, that's good, man. Okay, so time to run the right now. So let me check it is. Oh, sorry. We need to implement for the API services or like that. So for the first one is HTTP get. It will be public I get all products or like this. Yes, that's good, man. So it is getting all of the data from the database. So yes, product. Okay, so got HTTP. Okay, so like that. Okay. And then another is we also need to use get by ID. So that's why I also need to declare public async public async that's async result in there. I need to define product model. Okay, product model and then get in there string ID. So for the endpoint, I need to define HTTP endpoint, HTTP get, and then I need to define the URL pattern. So this is the URL pattern, product ID, 2 column. It will be input for the 24 characters or digits or like that. And then firstly, we need to check for the product where from wait underscore product service dot get by ID. So in there I need to just pass for the ID. So at this time we need to check it. Product is now at this time. Sorry, product now at this time we need to return no found exception, no found response. At this time we think we can return or like this. What is that? Oh, sorry, I missed the engage bracket. So it is get all API. It is get by ID. Also after that, I also need to create for the post API. So HTTP post, in the HTTP post, I also use for the action. Also this is the create API from the board, and then the products or like this. Oh, that's good, man. So it is create, and then I also need to use for the update. So HTTP post, and then I also need to use. Oh man, oh, amazing. So did I now? So it will be update. So after that, so we will return for the OK. Okay, response. Ah, that's good, man. So finally, I also need to add the HTTP delete. Yes. So in the HTTP delete, I also need to define for the HTTP delete or like that. Oh man, that's amazing, man. Okay. Oh, really? Okay, man. Okay. Oh, that's good. So let it recap. So it is cut off. This is cut off API. This is cut by ID employee. And this is product create employee. This is update. Put API. That's one is delete API. Yes, that's good, man. Amazing. Okay, let us run our project right now. I will press the F5 and then I will run with F5. Okay, I will also open for the Postman to test our API. But we can also check for the API documentation according to the Swagger, so we can easily check in there. Okay, so our Postman is ready, and I will need to go to this endpoint. So I will copy, and then I will open my browser for the Swagger documentation. So at this time, I need to type for the Swagger slash index.html. Yes, I got that Swagger documentation. Firstly, I need to get the data from there. So there is no data. So I can also query via the API from the Postman. At this time, I will create a collection. A collection name. What is that? Yes, it is the collection name. After that, I will put the API for the get collection get endpoint. So product list no HUL. Okay. So when I send the data, the API. Oh, sorry. What is that? It got 200. Yes. Powerful omen. What is that? Product API. Why we get the 404? Let me check the endpoint. Let me check the endpoint. Oh man, sorry, I need to put this URL. Okay, sorry man. So let's do HG Swagger slash .html. Yes, got it. I will tap it right now. Oh man, no API. Okay, sorry, I got the idea because I need to shoot for that app.match controller. So I need to add match controller, so like that. Yes. Okay, that's good. So I will arrive again. Okay, I will go to my endpoint again. Yes, it is connected to my database. Out. visit the connection string issue box. So so I think config is wrong for the database connection string. So this is my connection string port 8. This is 27017. 27017. Yes, it is correct. Look at product database connection. It is correct, man. 270 product database. Product database. Why I got this? Okay, let me try again. Here is my DB config connection string and reach session. Database name. No, this is not database name. Product database. Oh, no, this is not product database. This need to define the POS database. I need to define in there, so that's why I got the error. Yes, right now. Good. Okay. Okay, I go to my post. Firstly, I need to go to the Swagger UI. So I will refresh right now. It is the Swagger UI. Firstly, I will check the cut data. Oh, I got the error issue. What is that? Product unit does not match the blah blah. Product unit. Oh, I need to check for the database schemas or like this. So product discussion. PRDUCD. So I will delete this collection. No, I don't need to delete. I need to check all of the structure. That is some fine. PRDUCD product discussion. Product discussion. Yes, this is correct. I need to check for my product for the PRDUCD product discussion. Yes, that's correct. Let me check. Okay, I will verify here. I will verify here by looking at my data structure. So after that, I will send the API request. At this time, I will use F11 and then F11. Product unit price. Oh my god, product unit price. Okay, I got it. So let me check the description. Product unit price. Product price. So that's why the data. So I need to delete this object. Oh. Actually, I need to delete. I will delete this product because the data fields for my all of the data. So I will go to there and I will delete product data. Yes, product ID. Where is that? No, it does not need it. Sorry, product ID. The product. So let me go to the endpoint. This is the product. So one inquiry here. There's no product. Oh man. Okay, I also put the same name. So then delete. The data already delete. Okay, so I will check my database again for the get all. Okay, I will get the kinds of data. Oh, that's good. So at this time I can continue checking this. So at this time F10, F11, F11, F11. Yes, product unit price does not match. Oh, I got it. Product price. Okay, I will delete all. So I want to delete all of the data inside that database. So I will delete. Okay. db dot product dot delete many. So in there I will define the condition. So it is I want to delete about the product name Lima. So product name full column. Oh, so sorry. Okay, I forgot. My bad. So what is that? LEMON Lima. Yes. Delete count 0. Oh, what that? Oh, I will delete 1. This does not need. So okay, so I will delete which primary key. So that's why NoSQL ID. NoSQL ID is like this data copy and then paste it. So let me try. Let me get it again for all of the data. The dot file. The dot file. Yes. So I want to delete this one, man. Lemon. Okay, I want to delete, so that's why I will put my JSON here. So at this time I will remove. Yes, got it. So at this time db dot product dot file. Yes, so after that I can get the data easily from there. So I will continue my project, and then I can use from the post from the circle. So I will try again. So it is cutting the data from the database, and then it return product unit price. What is the product unit price? Okay, I got it because it may be the data types. It calls for data type. It decimal. Oh man, product unit price. Okay, I put my bad man. Product unit price. Yes, product. So actually, I will delete my product. So after that, so product. So delete. So I will create at the previous database. Okay. The database name is. So I will find the connection again. Database name is product. Collection name products. Collection name product product. Yes, create the database. So at this time, I will remove for the model. I will refactor the model. You know, it is product model. So that's why we don't need to define the product. We don't need to define the product. So it is the unit price. It is the stores. Yes, that's a good idea. It also require free. Yeah, that's good. So I will write. So I will remove my breakpoint because it is already corrected. I believe my goals. Yes, so I will go to the Socket UI again. Okay, firstly I need to check the data. Yeah, there is no data. So we can also test from the Postman. So there is no data. So after that I will create a data via the Swagger. After that I will first, alright, now we need to define for the product discussion product. So this is the name is app discussion is this is app FRUND fruit. This is app fruit. Unit price 100. Store a fight. Store a fight. So I will copy right now. Execute. Edit. Okay, man. So sorry, my bad. Okay, I will create for the endpoint to test the data. Yes. So here is the JSON body. It is raw data. I will paste it. So edit, create. So create endpoint is create endpoint. Copy it. Yes, there is a create endpoint. So also this is a create. With the create, yes. When I paste the product, that is ID require. Oh my god, man. So my bad. Sorry about that. I need to remove the require fee because there is option there. So yes, we need to get the option there or like this. Okay, I will create from the data from the Postman. So I will pass this. Oh man. That id that creates okay. I will trace. I will develop for the create event. Yes, I will create in there, and then I will pass via that postman. Yes, when I send the data, it will come here. So here is my ID now. So after that, I will post it in there when the data come. From 40, oh, I know that. From 40, this no need the data, and actually I don't need for this property, so like this. Yes. Okay, I will test it account. I will sign if, and then the system will wait to the endpoint. Okay. ID field oh. What is that ID field? I don't need to put the data. Yes. Because it is the auto-generated ID. Okay, it is ready. I will pass the data. Yes. Okay, at this time the system will enter F11. Here the data and here now. Okay, yes. Go to yes. I will create the data correctly. No route defined. Oh, okay. Also, you know the data already passed to the database. We can check easily. Okay. So my vet. So you know my vet. So I need to create when I create the set. I don't need to go to there. So get what is that? Okay. So you know when the API 200 also you know it is there 500 error. Actually the data passed correctly, but the data is wrong message. So I need to update in there. So it should be what is that? It should be good. Did I create a but the data is wrong? So at this time we need to show the OK or like that. Yes, we need OK, and we need to respond. We need to respond the message or like that. Product created successfully. Product is created successfully. Okay, that's good. I will try it again. Okay, I will try another. The one is what is the data in there, and we check. Oh my god, there's a lot of array, but the data is ID differences, but so okay, no problem. And we put array. This is array through. This is array through 100 or like that. So I will put it. Yes, the product created. I can check easily. Okay, so you know there's a lot of arrays are duplicate in the database. So at this time I need to delete via the circle firstly, and then I will use with for the postman. Firstly I need to define which product I want to delete. So that's why this is the product. So I want to delete this data. So I need to copy and then I will put it in there. Edit delete. Okay, edit deleted. So I can also use this parameter UI structure, and then I can create API, and I can send the record message from the postman. Yes, so it will be the put action method, delete action method. Sorry, it also delete. You need to delete all like that. Okay, so at this time firstly I need to check. So data icon, so there's also duplicate data, so I also cut and I want to delete in there. So yes, so okay, it is deleted. I need to check again. Yes, so there's also duplicate data. I need to delete. Yes, it is deleted. So there is two data. Okay, I will also try for the update. So update is you need to define the ID. So for firstly I will create another kind of database orange 2. Yes, this is the data. When I post it is saved to the database, but I need to update instance of orange 2. I will need to update orange 3 SAM, unit price SAM, stores or like that. So at this time I need to copy, I need to update. So I will duplicate this API, and then it will be the push data, push edit repeat, and then I will type here. So firstly I will check via the boost swagger. So I will copy, and then I will type product ID the same, and this is the product ID, and this is orange 3 new data. I will update unit price is 50 and store it 100. So I will execute it. So it will get the correct data, and then I can test our API via the postman. So at this time I will copy, and then I will use the push. This is the endpoint. For at this time you can also need to define the data for like that. Yeah, this is the input API. So firstly, so when we need to update the data, you need to know about the about that ID. So if you want to update this data, you need to know this. I will update this orange 3 to the orange 4. So at this time, this is now copy. This is update endpoint, and also copy. And then I also need to define for the parameter. Parameter is this one, and another is this. We also need to define this one. So after that, we will get the update. So after that, the data will be, oh, what is that? I don't remember what the value I put. Oh, sorry, I will put the fight. New data fight 500 and 5. Yes, I will send it. After that, the data will be updated in the list. Yes, this is the update data. This is the old one. Okay, so I will upload this so-called into that Postman. So okay, so let us continue my slides. Okay, so at this time we use Microsoft.NET and VS Code and Postman for the API testing. So thank you very much for your time, and I appreciate it. In summary, SQL provides data structures and integrity. Meanwhile, NoSQL offers scalability and flexibility. Understand your project data structure according to your business requirement. You need to use maybe SQL or NoSQL. Thank you for your attention, and I am happy to answer any question you have, and please write down comments in this video and in the YouTube channel. So thank you very much for your time, and I appreciate it.